Beautiful, isn't it?
God, just
Bit breezy, but just nice to be out, isn't it?
fresh.
Yeah. Hi girl, this way. Come on. Hi there everybody, and thank you very much for coming out and joining us on this video. If you're new around here, please check out our other videos and subscribe, and please give the video a thumbs up. It's a bit breezy, but we're out today and we thought we'd come out and check out the Dutch Army tent. We've recently purchased this. We paid £35 for it from Military Mart, and it cost £6 to get it delivered, and customer service from them was absolutely fantastic. We bought it and it arrived a couple of days later, but this is our first time taking a look at the tent. I know there's many people got them. It was on recommendations from what we've seen from other people why we bought this, and we've bought it so we can bring Bramble out camping. We've got some camps planned at our woodland permission, haven't we?
Yeah, couple of weeks.
A couple of weeks, yeah. Over the Easter holidays, we're planning on doing some camping then. And Claire wants to camp in the hammock, and we want to bring Bramble out camping with us. And we thought this will be a perfect solution for me sleeping in with the dog. They're apparently strong, robust, and a great bit of kit, especially for the price. Like I mentioned earlier, £35. So what we're going to do now is get this set up. We're gonna chill and have a brew, aren't we?
Yeah.
We'll make a cup of tea. We're gonna chill and have a brew and enjoy these absolutely stunning views. You can probably see the views behind us, absolutely amazing. And I'll quickly spin you around and we'll have a look at the view that side before we crack on and set this up. There we have it. There's our view, and that's where we are today. We've got the sun shining, bit breezy, but doesn't that look stunning? Well, let's have a little look around the tent. First impressions, Claire, what do you think?
Yeah, it's good. It'll be good for you and Bramble.
Yeah, it's be spot on for myself and Bramble. Bramble, what are you doing? What are you looking for? Oh, she's eating the guy lines.
Oh.
Yeah, first impressions, I think it's pretty decent. It looks in decent nick. Pegs I'm quite impressed with. I expected cheap, nasty, bendy pegs, but no, they're quite solid. Decent guy lines on it. I need to alter it a little bit, but like I said, we're just checking it out, testing it, and seeing what it looks like for the first time. Push that peg back in, it's come out there. Yeah, I'm overall pleased with that. Claire seems to have made herself at home.
Out the wind.
Out the wind, yeah. Looks ideal, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So you can have a dodge in there. You know that wind.
Come and join me. Bramble likes the tent.
Do you think? Well, she does, look at that. She's found herself a nice little spot. Enjoying herself. That's probably where she'll be kipping, won't she, when I'm in here. Curled up in a little ball. She's loving that, isn't she?
Yeah, loves it.
And we're just enjoying the view. I'll show you that once again because it's absolutely beautiful. You ready for a brew?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm not getting out of this tent though.
What about your brew?
Cold and windy.
You want me to bring your brew to you?
Yeah.
I think room service or something. Ooh.
Yeah, room service.
A brew with a view.
Absolutely.
Right, we're just going to enjoy a little bit more time out. As I mentioned, we bought this tent from Military Mart, and I'm just pleased with it. It's a great service and the tent looks great. We'll probably fab seal it to make sure it's waterproof before we get out camping. A lot of people recommend that, so that's what we're going to do. But we're just going to enjoy ourselves, aren't we?
Yeah.
Spend a couple of hours out, take Bramble for a bit more of a walk. Bramble's looking over there when I mention her name and the walk. But yeah, we'd like to say thank you very much for watching. We hope you have enjoyed the video, and we'll stay safe, and we'll see you all on the next one.
Cheers.
Bye for now, and cheers.